Hi, I wanted to show you guys an example of a conversion of moles to molecules. So in this question, first thing I notice is that I'm given the moles of this compound. So I'm starting here. Then I look at, well, what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to solve for, they want to know the number of molecules. So I'm going here. So this is the leg of the trip or the map that I'm going to be using. So that means I'm going to use this conversion factor. So always when I do these problems, I write the beginning number over 1. And I recommend that you keep track of what the compound is, like this. It's not completely necessary, but I recommend that. So now we're going to put this conversion factor in, which is Avogadro's number. And there's that many molecules of anything, but in this case, this compound, in 1 mole of that compound. So you can see that the moles are going to cancel. I'm going to end up with the unit molecule, which is great because that's what I'm trying to solve for. So now I'm ready to put this in my calculator. So I'd always want to start with that beginning number. And then I don't need to divide by 1. So then I would multiply by whatever on the top and then divide by whatever's on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply by Avogadro's number. And when I put in Avogadro's number, I want you to use your second, and then do you see the double EE there? And that is just a really helpful way to solve problems with a scientific calculator. So that is times 10 to the. So then all I have to do is put in 23 and then enter. So there's our answer. So we just want to make sure then that we have the same amount of significant figures as we start with. So we started with 3 and we can end with 3. So our answer is going to be 8.7, and then we'll round up 9 times 10 to the 23rd. So 8.79 times 10 to the 23rd molecules.